Matt Furlong with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're taking a look at a brand new 2021 Harris Sunliner 230 Sport. Sport package is going to be a really nice setup. We're going to have the tower on here. This is a really cool pontoon. This is going to be set up with the sterling gray exterior. We have the blacked out fence rails on this one. So you've got the nice powder coated black accents and then black side bumper rail as well. Coming through the back, you've got a nice redesign for this year. So matching with this tower, you've got a nice swooshed out body line to the back side of this pontoon. This is going to be set up with a really cool design. We're going to have the rear lounger set up on this one with the safety rails around the back and tow bar, as well as a nice big Mercury engine. Let's hop up on top of this one. We'll take a look at the inside and go through the layout of this one. All right, so now powering this pontoon, we're going to have a 200 horsepower Mercury 4-stroke engine. Nice setup for a power plant on here. We've got that ski tow bar like I had mentioned. As we come around here, we're going to have a nice telescoping ladder that drops down nice and deep, giving you the ability to get on and off of the pontoon when you're swimming and playing very easily. Cool feature on this is going to be the fender holders. So your bumpers will drop right in there. This pontoon is going to be set up with the single rear lounger and dual helm chair design, which is kind of unique. We started bringing in more of these because it's been such a great option for people. You're going to have the ability to have the rear lounger set up, giving you a nice big layout area. You've got the safety chains around the back, so you can actually legally ride on this pontoon while underway with those chains closing the back of the pontoon off. Moving through the interior, when you look at these high back chairs, you have a nice comfortable setup. These are going to be great for both the captain and passenger on this pontoon. Nice open layout in the front. We've got the movable armrest as well. You're going to have drop down armrests on both sides on here. This pontoon is also going to be equipped with a wireless charging pad. Simrad dash, giving you all kinds of graphing features that you can use, as well as lake chart plotting abilities. So you're going to have built-in contour lines as well. JL audio is going to be on this pontoon as well, giving you some great tunes. This is also going to have, with this 200 horsepower engine, it's going to be the digital throttle system. No mechanical cables on here anymore. Getting that upgraded setup with this 200 horsepower Mercury. It's really fantastic setup. Give us a call here in Rogers, Minnesota. Set an appointment to come check out this brand new 2021 Harris Sunliner pontoon. Thank you.